and she will win. Sarandha to be on the stage.
Advocate General of Bihar in Chief Samatwa, whose role as Advocate General of
Today it is a
lawyers entered into barged in my chamber, and I was under the summons from the office of Honorable the Chief Justice. I was in hurry, and they were telling something. I don't remember the sentences used by them. I remembered only three expressions. Federation of Women Lawyers, one. Two, some seminar being organized. And three, they would seek the help of Bihar State Legal Services Authority. I told them that the Bihar Legal Service Authority will be there with them if they are interested in actual work. Personally speaking, I don't believe much in holding seminars or these things. I believe in actual work on the ground. So this, and after saying this, I had to rush to the Chief Justice's chamber. And while moving from my chamber to the adjacent chamber of Honorable the Chief Justice, I was thinking, how much more power do you need? The this is one. The other thing is that if you have abbreviated form of something and if does not have a vowel, then it becomes very difficult to pronounce, like AIFWL, BFWL, BFWL. Those who are close to me know that sometimes I coin words. So I was trying to do with this BFWL, fuel. Fuel is energy, power. So All India fuel and Bihar full. So you're full. Madam Maisi was saying, advising Honorable the Chief Justice that he should take some steps so that more women lawyers or more women enter into judicial service. About 7-8 years back, I had the occasion to attend a function, convocation function, in NLSUI, National Law School, University of India. And there was prize distribution function also. The Chief Justice of India was there. And so many prizes, hundreds, memorial, this award, this medal, that medal. And sometimes this process becomes boring also. After prize distribution was almost over, about to reach its end, the Chief Justice of India remarked, "Where are the boys?" And I am going to tell you based on data. In fact, yesterday I collected this data. The officers are appointed in judicial service through competitive examination held by Bihar Public Service Commission. 26th Bihar Judicial Service Examination, 284 boys competed with 32 girls. 27th, 179, you must keep in mind the proportion also. 27th, 179 boys, 29 girls. 28th, 101 boys, 33 girls. 29th, 111 boys, 72 girls. And 30th, 189 boys, 155 girls. You that this 155 has nothing to do with 35% of reservation which has been provided by the state, because they have competed on the basis of their own merit. This is horizontal reservation. Why this happened? Why the girls bagged all the awards in NLSUI, and why the girls, and again in 30th out of 130, they are 84. Why did this happen? And what do you need? I was given, the lawyers had given to me. It is because they were given liberty. They were given freedom to study and to compete. They were given opportunities. Only these things. I am of the firm view that not only female lawyers, a female does not require anything more than giving them freedom to work, freedom to excel, and opportunity. Opportunity is very essential, and I am focusing on this because I am going to ask you, as the chairman of Legal Services, executive chairman of the Legal Service Authority, to do something for empowerment of empowered women. As executive chairman of Legal Service Authority, I have undertaken, you can call it a movement of bringing children from slums to ensure their education. And it is with the intervention of the Legal Service Authority that hundreds of students, in fact throughout the state of Bihar, the District Legal Services Authority, again I have coined a word for District Legal Service Authority, since you want to associate yourself with the Bihar State Legal Service Authority, so I have coined a word for District Legal Service Authority. Again, District Legal Service Authority does not have a vowel, but district has one DI. So therefore I have coined it Dilsa. So it is like heart of the Bihar Legal Service Authority. So DILSA. So the all Dilsas in the state of Bihar, they have ensured, in fact the judicial officers visited in the slums to find out children who had no opportunity to go to schools. Again, I am of the view that there is no difference between the children born in our families and the children born in the slums. when they are given equal opportunity and freedom to compete in the world, many of them may become scientists, they become professors, they may become judges, lawyers. So this step Balsa has taken, and with the offers help of Dilsads, akin to heart. If you want to empower women, we can provide you female children. They are taking feedbacks from the schools where they have been admitted. They have been admitted in good schools, private, public schools. So the judicial officers are taking the feedback also, and I have assured them that if required, I will be speaking to the principal of the college where the boy has admitted or the girl has been admitted to inquire about the progress of the child. If you want empowerment, would not, in my opinion, would should mean empowering lawyers only. Make lawyers from deprived class, persons from deprived class may also join this profession. And I am saying this why? This is because now Mr. Advocate General has raised a very valid, made a valid demand before the Chief Justice and one of the members of the Collegium also, that there should be greater representation of women in the higher judiciary. Higher judiciary means in the high courts, yes. But number should increase. Number of the women lawyers should also increase. So therefore, I would be taking, or in fact, I'll giving you tasks also. Since you have approached me, then be ready for that also. I'll be giving you tasks I may give you, in fact, you may become foster parent of say 2-3 children. If you are confining yourself, I'll, in fact, Madam Maisi asked to pack your own bag. I won't say that. I would say rather that in males, because you are superior, and you are superior why our body is made of cells, and one of the teeniest parts in the cell is nucleus. And in the nucleus, there are chromosomes, which cannot be seen even with the aid of microscope. There is no difference between you and between males and females, except that the 23rd pair of the chromosome has, X chromosome and Y chromosome both. And that difference makes you superior. I was reading your paper when you said for improving the etiquette, you are born sophisticated. Again, based on my experience, I may be wrong. You see two young children growing up from the age of 4 to 9. Sophistication in females, you will see that's natural. You are competing in all fields, be medicine, engineering, competing with men in, say, banks, government service, and you are performing better. So when, it's my perception, that when you talk of empowerment of women, though it's a federation of women lawyers, I would request you to do something substantial for ensuring that females living in difficult situation and even going to the slums, encourage them to come out, ensure that they are given again freedom, opportunity, all of them shall excel. In fact, I confined my, as Madam Maisi says, I am also equally selfish. I address you as Executive Chairman of Bihar Legal Service Authority, and in fact, I am also of the view that equal opportunity, all of you must have read, the fundamental right. I consider very firmly that none of the fundamental rights are fundamental because they are in Part 3 of the Constitution, because they have been declared to be fundamental rights by the Constitution. They are so fundamental, they are so basic, they are so essential that no civilized society can afford to exist without such rights. So equal opportunity the state is providing in the manner it is providing, it has provided under the Constitution. You have to ensure that a situation is created where they who are deprived, they cannot come to compete with the persons who has, they are also given opportunity. With these words, I take your leave. Thank you. Thank you very much.